Cause like I really didn't fail, but I took too long. The mission. Then you'll be like, how embarrassing. Ha 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 ha. It sucks. It sucks. Ha ha. Glaze. Die. No. I crashed. Oh no, no. This is no, bro. You're flipping it. I can sense it. I can sense you walking to your computer. Move. How? 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 Oh no! Oh! I crashed again. Shit, I'm probably going to shoot them instead of firing rockets at them. Maybe the cars is meant for the rockets. I'm gonna shoot them instead. Maybe I can shoot them. Okay, see, that's working. Oh, I mean, that exploded too. That's on a car. Use the rock. Got your clips of me. Clip, so you have okay. Don't beat yourself up that you couldn't get a better clip. So you have to go with what you worked with. Don't be sad. Be happy that you. Crashing here. Maybe I use guns for both of them. But this is America, a place that Caesar should not be. But hey, he's still here, so I can use guns and he can still be here. So hey. How do I didn't crash. This game is against black people. It's now confirmed. GTA San Andreas is now against black people. No! I hate this game. I hate this game with a passion. I hate this game with a passion. The passion. It's passion. Ah! Die. Die, you little infidelity. Crash! I didn't. Oh. Stop it there. Stop it there. Voila. Stop it there. Ah! Finally. Oh, this is gonna be one of the worst things. You're getting so much clips. I didn't want to fail, but like, you're awfully quiet, so I got a feeling that you're doing it right now. I don't understand. I completed it the first time. I don't understand why they didn't let me beat it, bro. What did I do wrong? I did perfect the first try, bro. I literally killed. Uh, if I fail one more time, I will crash out. I'm not even joking. If I fail one more time, I will legally crash out. And I haven't said that in a long, long time. But if I do fail again, I will crash out. And that's not even funny. I'll be a dead serious. If I fail one more time, I'm gonna start smoking cigarettes. I swear. Bitch. Please, please, daddy, please, daddy, please, daddy, please, daddy, please, daddy. Come on. You gotta have patience. Patience is key. You gotta have a lot of patience when you're doing these missions. Okay? Learn how to flip. Easy, light work. It's these little moving cars. That's the problem. And every time I touch the ground, I have to, restart, which is annoying. I understand they don't want me cheating, but like, I'm not gonna cheat. Come on. Like, they're moving. They're like, I didn't even do anything. All I did was touch the ground. I know that. You don't think I know that, bro? You don't think I know that? I don't care. This is so bad. Oh. These 3 cars are light work. It's the music. Gosh. That's it. I'm just gonna spam rocket. That's it. Oh! That's done. Oh my! Bro. God. Bro. Annoying. Gosh. This is the most annoying stuff ever, bro. Like, they can't get nothing better than this, by the way. How did I fail? I didn't even touch it. Please, bro. Yes! Dang